how to remove a repost on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how to remove a repost on Snapchat. So to get started, go ahead and open the Snapchat app into your device. Head over into the message tab. So click on that and then go ahead and head over into that conversation where you have a tag photo story from. So for example, I have the tag photo story from here. So simply click on that conversation and then go ahead and click on this add to my story button and then customize this further and then add this to my story by clicking on stories at the bottom left. Now this will allow me to add this, repost this to my story. Now to remove this from my story, I need to go ahead and head over into my account. So simply click on your account profile at the top left and then go ahead and head over into your story. So click on your story and then click on the three dots at the top right of your story. Now from here, click on delete and then confirm the deletion of this repost story to your account. And that is how you can basically remove a repost on Snapchat.